Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start the reading with these cards here. We have Knight of Pentacles in reverse, World in reverse, and Star in reverse. So Libras, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your personal life today. So you are in a circumstance, you don't know what to do next, which way to go. Maybe certain things you did has ended up or has landed you in some difficulties, or you are not seeing the expected returns for all those choices or decisions that you have made, and you have some confusions, doubts which way to go or what is the right thing to do. So you feel stuck to a situation, unable to handle things today, feeling let down by your circumstance or by yourself. You lack that confidence in you, and something is worrying you today. Some kind of confusion, stress, you don't know what is the right thing. And maybe you are in a situation you need to make some important decisions, but you are unable to do it, and people around you, they may be forcing you to decide on certain things, but you are unable to decide either way, and they may see you as someone who lacks skills or talents, or who lacks that courage or determination today to proceed in a positive way. And the reasons for your attitude, guys, maybe you really feel stressed or sad or unable to decide something, or maybe simply you just want to be relaxed today. You just want to take time, relax, then decide. Maybe you are sick and tired for the way things are in your life today, and you want rest from decisions, rest from work, rest from some responsibilities that you are having. So you want time off, take time for yourself maybe, and maybe for some of you, you are planning to spend time alone. Maybe you have someone in your life, someone in a relationship with, but still you want time alone and think for yourself, think about the next move, what you need to do, or plan something for your future. So you want time alone, guys. That is what I see. Maybe you are taking time alone, or you want rest from all these hectic schedule that you are having, maybe in your work or something in your relationship. Maybe you would have faced some troubles or some misunderstandings with this person. So that may be the reason. Or maybe this person you are in relationship, they are very arrogant, or you are arrogant. So they want time away from you, or you want time away from them. And they may feel that you are not treating them properly, and they are worried or sick and tired of you because of that. So that is the reason for this alone time or separation you both are thinking of, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned, and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly, and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for y'all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone, which is precious to them. You need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you are cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.